So we have x squared times x squared. You can write that as x squared squared, and with the exponents you just add them together. So you have x to the 2 plus 2 power, and that gives you x to the 4th. Now with 2 to the 4th times 2 to the 5th, again you just add the exponents, so that gives you 2 to the 4 plus 5, and that equals 2 to the 9th. For 5 to the x times 5 to the y, that's just 5 to the x plus y. We have x cubed to the 2nd power, so here you just multiply the exponents together, so that equals x to the 6th. X squared to the 1/2 power, which is also x squared under a square root, so you could say it's right there, and then again you just multiply the exponents, so you have x to the 2 times 1/2, which is just x. X to the y, all to the 4 over x power. Just multiply the exponents together, so you have x to the 4y over x. For x over y, all squared, just distribute the exponent to each term in the parentheses. So you have x squared over y squared, and you can also write that as x squared times y to the minus 2 power. For x to the 1/2 over y to the x over 4, all to the power of 2x. Just distribute the exponent. So you have x to the 1/2 times 2x over y to the x over 4 times 2x. And that gives you x to the x power, and then you have y times 2x squared over 4. And then you can simplify to x squared over 2. So you have x times y, all times x cubed times y. So you have x times x to the 1 plus 3 times y squared. So you just have x to the 4th y squared. For this problem, just multiply the 10 and the 2 together, so you have 20. And then you have x squared times 1/2, and then y 3/5 times 5/3, which gives you 20xy. Alright, last problem. So for this you want to simplify the denominator inside the parentheses. So we're going to use the fact that x to the minus 1 power equals 1 over x. So you have x to the 5b minus 1, y to the b plus 3, and then factor out the negative sign. So you have minus b plus 1, then y 2b minus 3, and that's all to the 2 over 3b. So just bring the denominators up and add them to the exponents in the numerator. So you have x to the 5b minus 1 plus b plus 1 times y to the b plus 3 plus 2b minus 3, all to the 2 over 3b. So that gives you x to the 6b times y to the 3b. And then what you want to do here is distribute your exponent to the inner terms. So you have x to the 6b times 2 over 3b, and then y to the 3b times 2 over 3b. So that just leaves you with x to the fourth times y squared.